What's up, guys? This is Mac. So I'm part of the fire alarm community and rail fanning and everything. So it's great. So guys, I know it's been last week because I haven't made another video. So this is gonna be a 2-minute video or 3-minute video. So because I'm gonna make this real quick there. If you guys know about trains and fire alarms, well, if you guys know about trains and fire alarms, because when there's BNSFs in Oak Grove, and then when you go to Cedar, Oak Grove, Minnesota, when you go to the Life and Learning Center and catch a BNSF with Autorex with mixed cars, that's kind of cool. So until then, so the fire alarms I got for Christmas is this. The Edwards Integrity right there. So, but this alarm, I think I've seen this from Bethel University, Duluth, and maybe somewhere in the hotels or more like in the schools maybe. So those are good alarms. So they're not bad as well. And then for this, I got my Simplex Truealert. So it's my Truealert. So this is a good fire alarm. So, because I'm seeing those at they have them schools like Monticello High School, and now they got Holiday Inn St. Paul downtown, and they got one on Google Maps with the Holiday Inns and Comfort, all the hotels in this USA. So, but first, not least, what I also got is my Simplex 499 9004. So when you see it, this is gonna go well. So and then there's a little button in there, and then this is kind of cool. So guys, I could show you about the fast pull reset. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. See that? That's what I could do, because sometimes when you go a fast pull reset, so it goes like this. So that's pretty good, guys. So one thing about fire alarms, so my favorite part, when I was at Bethel University, so there is a Wheelock AS, that's from over there, and there's, actually we don't have MTs, but we also have Gentex Commander 2s or Commander 3s. So, actually, so therefore, let's see, therefore we know about all the Simplex, Siemens, Wheelocks, and even Honeywells. So, but therefore, this is gonna be good, because sometimes where people do fire drills at the schools like St. Francis Elementary, Cedar Creek Community School, or elementary school. So my middle school had Wheelock AS with ceiling mounts, and classrooms they have wall mounts back in 10 years. And then mine had high school back in 2014. We had like MTs at the hallways, Wheelock AS in the hallways, and 2 Wheelock NS, one in the music hallway and the restroom. And then we have a Wheelock AS and MTs and all this. Those horn strokes were in the restrooms, because when you hear one in the restrooms, that's gonna hurt. But I'm like, ouch. So that would leave a mark. But they shouldn't have horn strobes in the bathrooms. They should have like remote strobes and everything. So, kind of cool, guys. So as I said, and Happy New Year. And I'll probably send another video later on. So we'll probably work out. So I'll probably set up my 15 fire alarms out. So that might work. So have a good night and God bless.